Deep, deep in the jungle, we once again are upon a quest to find something. The mythical, magical golden pineapple, you may ask? No, something far more elusive, especially for this channel. That's right, we are after content. Wait for it. Wait for it. Raiders of the lost content, and fill up our water tanks and maybe see a croc or two. Dun 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 dun. Croc Watch indeed. I love Croc Watch too. We hardly ever see anything, so it almost always ends up as a fail, but it's the thrill of expectation that keeps it alive. Here is a local Indian transporting water to his family from upriver. He probably does this every 2 or 3 days. It's a different world. The croc was about 50 metres that way. Croc watch! Well, not anymore. The girls wanted to clean up the river and get a toilet paper bucket for the boat too. Dun, 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 dun. Okay girls, this is what happens when you don't keep up with your editing. So I'll pick you up in a few hours. You can swim to the town, it's just over there, but there are crocodiles. This one is a tiddler, not even enough for a piece of toast. Don't write in people, I was just kidding. This is the old PVC pipe that ran for 26 kilometres to deliver water to Nagana, but a flood damaged part of it and now it's out of action, forcing the locals to canoe it by hand. Claire, excellent driver. Well done.
You're welcome.
But we are still after content, so here we go. This wasn't here last time. Here's another grave site. We were wondering about the bowls and spoon on the graves. Maybe it's so they have something to eat with in the afterlife. Not sure. Not sure where the coffee machine is hidden though. Maybe it's their favourite bowl. I don't know. How cool are these ants? Okay, I don't think this is right, girls.
Okay.
Because I can't see the pipe. We've got to find the pipe. I think this is a watercourse, a real shallow one. So let's try and find it. This PVC pipe, it's all second-hand pipe. It goes for more than 26 kilometers from a little lake, apparently. I tried to find it with Margarita. We couldn't find it. We walked forever. We got nowhere near it, and I stuck the drone up to its maximum height of 1,500 feet, and I still couldn't see the lake. So God knows what, it just kept on going. So, but there's a few bends of the river we should go take a look at, because it's really cool to see the PVC pipe. There's some extra bits of PVC. Oh, here we go. Here's a track. I reckon that those bright yellow shoes aren't going to be bright yellow for too much longer. Oh, geez. Lessons from a bushman, people. And when I say bushman, I use the term loosely. These are not ideal footwear. They're more like clogs. I should go barefoot, like the barefoot bushman. Now that was a cool guy. You can hang back, I'm just going to suss it out. I'm going bushwalking, people. I find a bush and I walk through it. I'm trying to find a place where we can swim.
Yes, I know there are crocs, but they're little.
Okay, false alarm. It's not going to get us anywhere, that one. Who has faith in my bushman skills? Oh, that's a good track. Let's suss that out. I think I got some camouflage in my hair. I got no hands to get rid of it. There you go, people. Hey, this is a good one. Good on you, Gigi. Da 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 da. That was a fork. Oh, we might be forked. No, they're going the same way.
Okay.
Aren't they? Well, I'll go this way. You go the road less travelled, and I'll go this way. Hey, Clara, can you get rid of my camouflage?
Sure. Oh, but it's a nice one.
Yes, I know. I know, but I don't want to be too.
There's another one.
I don't want to be too camouflaged. You won't see where I am. You know, because my bushman skills are. Okay, my tracks run out.
Mine did too.
This is a part of the test, people. Test to see if they're adequate crew material. Yes, they're the best crew ever, but are they the fittest? Are they the bushcraftiest? They're good at singing the theme songs of dramatic. Oh, Rocky. Aren't you supposed to pump your arms? Come on, that's good. Oh.
Despite us laughing, there was trouble ahead, and it's possible that we all could die.
We're lost in this bush, people. There's an impenetrable canopy. We don't know which way the sun is. We won't be able to find north or south. We are just lost in the bush. It's very dangerous. Gigi's, you know, freaking out. We could die, people. We could die if we don't find a track. Oh, there's a track. We're saved. This is just like Bear Grylls. Back there's probably a four-wheel drive, 500 metres back. Cold drinks. People with a stretcher, medical team, extra cameraman, helicopter on standby, and then 2 miles further down the road, there's probably a hotel, 5-star, with a jacuzzi. Yep, Bear Grylls, he knows how to get lost in style, people.
Maybe we should check the Yui, mate.
I think I'm in love. I have to hear that again.
Maybe we should check the Yui, mate.
Chuck a Yui? But we're so close. We're so close to the almost middle that possibly could be around the corner. No, there's got to be more ravines. As soon as we get to the ravines, and there's like these little precarious little bridges you got to walk across, and without stepping on the ants, of course, because they, of course, use the bridges as well. All right, we'll just go a little bit further. Are you getting a bit concerned?
I'm not doubting you. I'm just saying.
Really? How silly of you. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. It's hard to get by just because it's like this. I think we're miles away from the river. It's a nice dance. Oh, that's Madonna's dance.
Yeah.
Come on, Vogue. Let your body move to the music. Go, go, go. Come on, Vogue. Yay! I told you I'd get you back alive, girls. Look at that. Master Bushman here, people. Well, there was a track. I'm a Master Bushman in Bear Grylls class.
But there could be a croc under the boat waiting for Gigi. But wait, there could be a croc sneaking up on me while I clean my shoes, or when we re-embark, or when Gigi cleans her shoes. Oh, come on. We're not going to get any good content at all here, even though we're giving the crocs plenty of chances.
Done. Right. Top stuff indeed.
But there was danger ahead for our beloved captain. Well, captain.
Bye. We love you, Peter.
Not enough.
You ready to go into the tunnel of death, girls?
Yeah.
All right, tunnel of death.
We are
Gigi,
coming.
you want to go to the tunnel of death?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Oh, look at that bird. Right there. Oh, it's big. You saw it?
I can't see any bird that is big, people. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, good spotted. What crab on the branch? It was a crab.
There was a crab on the branch.
Hanging on the branch. What?
Really? Is he still there?
I don't know, yeah.
Just in the nick of time, we got some content. Pretty rubbish, but content nonetheless. Admittedly, the death part of the Tunnel of Death was taking the day off today, but it was a cool little river nonetheless. But we were lost, and the dynamic trio were in big trouble. That river kept on going on forever, and there was no way out. Oh, no, there it is. 100 litres of water would be good for us for about 8 to 10 days. Very happy indeed.
I'm so tired, people. There's a bit of a little pick-me-up. The lovely Gigi bought some chocolate. I'm just going to test how good Clara's ears are. She's upstairs.
One, two, three, four, four-ish, 4 3/4, 5.
Did you already have?
No.
Go for it.
Well, actually, it's Gigi's. You should have the first.
Gigi, it's yours.
Gigi's. There you go.
Okay. That's really kind of you. Thank you.
Of course. Yay. Chocolate.
Chocolate. So you resort to being a male when there's chocolate. There's only one thing in your mind. Chocolate. Is that reasonably accurate? Oh. Thank you, lovely Gigi.
Thank you.